Hi you guys, so today we are going to do a few magical sounds, magical glow sounds that you can later use in your videos, in your commercials, in your games, audio, and all kinds of cool places when you want to highlight something or to make something really sounds like it glows. First of all, I really recommend you to have the Kontact Factory library at least, okay? And in this Kontact library, you have the Chimes library. It sounds like this. This is the one that goes from high pitch to low pitch. And this is the one we want. It goes from a lower pitch to a high pitch. Okay, so I'm going to record that. By the way, you can just use this sound for so many things in video commercials and all kinds of motion videos. So the other one is Glockenspiel. Okay, so the Glockenspiel is really when, for example, someone has a good idea, all right, or to highlight something that comes, you know, the music stops and then you hear this.
One YouTube channel with 5 shows for the price of 1. They're all free, but you get the point.
All right. And we really want to use sounds of chimes, of metals, of bells, everything that glows, that shimmers, everything that has a nice high-pitch metallic sound for this. And the most important thing is to use, specifically for the glow sound, we will want to use an envelope that looks something like that. Okay, so a slow attack and a slower release, okay, or decay as you want. So for example, if I put this right here, this is the chimes. Wait, I need to route it to the group. Okay, so much faster. Let's do this much faster. All right, so we will start with this. And then I'm going to use Kontact. I'm not going to use the Glockenspiel. I just wanted to give you that as something that is used all the time in some kind of commercials. And I will use for this kinetic metal. Okay, so I'm going to search for something that has something to do with chimes, with bells, or with metallic, something that shimmers, crystals, etc., etc. So for example, we have here dry ice chimes. Let's see how it sounds. All right, so I'm going to use this setup. All right, so it gives us with this envelope here. Let's increase the volume of this one. So it already sounds like a magical glow. Okay, I want to add a few more layers, so I'll duplicate that, and maybe I'm not going to use Contact again. I'm going to use Pet Shop. Okay, Pet Shop is a Nuendo Steinberg tool. So let's see what we have here. Here, I'm searching again for bells, metals, glittering sounds, cymbal sounds, etc. So let's hear how this sounds. Alright, that's not bad. Let's add a few more layers to make the sound a little bit more rich. So I'm going to just copy this MIDI note because I really want them to be at the same pitch. Let's hear just that one. Alright, it's a little high. You will never get exactly the same pitch because those are bells, okay? And bells, one of the characters of bells is to not have an exact pitch, all right? So let's hear the glow. All right, that's not bad. I'm going to add some compression to make it shine. And we always want to add a little bit of reverb to the glow. All right, so that's not bad. Let's try to do one more. So this is the effects channel. For all of you Pro Tools users, the FX channel is exactly like an auxiliary channel with an effects on it when it comes to Pro Tools, okay? So in Nuendo, you don't create an auxiliary, you have a special kind of track that you open that is meant for effects, okay? So and then you don't have to route it with buses, you just send it to the effects channel. So I'm going to open a new instrument channel with contact. And this time I'm going to use, let's use kinetic metal again. And this time let's search for something else. What is... Okay, that's not really what I'm looking for. Maybe here, crystals. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna start from here and just play a note, a high note. Alright. And let's add another contact, this time with evolve. So evolve should be here. Okay, so we have these symbols here, which is nice. All right, that's what I'm looking for. And maybe another evolve. Gong. That could be interesting. Okay, that's kind of creepy. So let's try symbol effects. Metals one, that's interesting. All right, I don't really find here something that is really interesting, so just gonna leave it that way. I'm gonna take those and insert them into a group called group 2, and I'm going to do something like that. That's not really high, so I have a tool here that is called pitch driver, and I'm going to try and make the pitch much higher. Alright, maybe I'll do a writing automation. Alright, so that's about it today. I just wanted to highlight a few things. So if you want to create a magical glow, you can use any sound that shimmers and any bright, really bright, high-pitched sound, like bells, metals, chimes, cymbals, etc., and just give them the right envelope here. Alright, that's it for today.